Alright, welcome back again, folks, to video number 4 in the Marketing Basics for Beginners series with your host, Mr. Henry Vargas, which is me. So here we go. So far we've gotten the domain name, right, which we're going to use that in a second to point to our lead capture page, which is what we're about to go over. We've got the email address, right, so that you can so you have a professional email address that seems more legit versus a Gmail or a Hotmail account, right? You just learned about how to find and create a lead magnet, which is a which is a high value free product that you give away. And now we're going to go over the fourth piece, which is your lead capture page or your opt-in page or your landing page. So there's a lot of ways that you can do that. You can use WordPress to create a very basic site. As for an example, as I mentioned in the other video, I'm creating a marketing agency for my foundation. So as you can see, this is a WordPress site, and this is actually a one-page website where I just put in this information. And the great thing about WordPress is they're template based, so you just select the template you want and edit the content. Now I have another page here for contact us, but you can use WordPress, which is as you can see here, and you can use an opt-in subscription form right here or a plugin, or as I would recommend, another good option is clickfunnels.com. This is a really great platform to create landing pages in because it's drag and drop, and if you don't know about programming, this is really good because it's really easy to incorporate also. So as you can see, you can scroll down and you can start a free 14-day trial. So even if you don't have money to purchase this platform, you can at least start with a 14-day free trial, and that should give you enough to kickstart your marketing to produce money so that you can actually purchase to use the whole software. So go ahead and sign up. There's two levels. I would just recommend signing up for the basic one now, and then as you grow, you can upgrade to the higher one. The sign up process, as you can see, is fairly quick, fairly easy, and again, there's tons of software creation or website creation software that you can use. This is just the one that I would recommend. So then you would fill in the information. So for example, Henry Vargas, right? And then Henry at mrhenryvargas.com. And then of course you would put in a password that you would feel comfortable with. Then you click create my ClickFunnels account. Okay, so once you're in, you simply click on hover over ClickFunnels and then click on build funnel, and that's going to take you to this page here. And then they have these cookbook builders, which means they have template funnels, but you can start out with just a simple classic funnel builder. So just click over here. And then it says you're going to select emails, the goal is to collect emails, sell your product, or host webinars. Right now, we're just going to collect emails. So now we're going to give this funnel a name, right? So we're going to call it, keeping right in line with the fact that I'm doing this for the marketing agency. So True Love Works Marketing Agency Funnel. We'll just leave it like that. And then select a funnel group. We don't have any. Then you click build funnel. And as you can see, there's a video here that explains. Now, ClickFunnels has done a really good job as far as providing tutorials, and there's a lot of great content that you can find as far as how to build these. But just understand that this is part of the process. Building this opt-in page, you can click here. As you can see, it's already opt-ins. So, for example, let's say we were gonna create a really simple one. Like let's say this one, right? This one. So then you can preview it, but let's click select template. Right, and I'm not actually going to edit any of this content right now, but I am going to share a very important piece with this right now. Okay, so this opt-in page is this, you're going to find this is the URL to this opt-in page. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this URL, right, because now what we're going to do is we got to take the domain name that we bought and forward it to this web page. Okay, so you got to go back to your registrar, which in my case, I bought it at GoDaddy, so let's go back to GoDaddy. And again, remember, it's a similar process in all the registrars. There might just be small differences, but it's the same process. So now we're in GoDaddy. Again, we're going to go to my products. And now what we're going to do is we click on DNS, and that's going to bring you to this page. And if you scroll towards the bottom of this page, you're going to see, don't worry about all this other stuff, name servers, don't get confused. Just come down here to where it says forwarding and click on add. And now it's going to give you the options to forward to, and we're going to put the domain name right in here, right, that we got from ClickFunnels, and we're going to put that right in there. And then you can click preview to see if it is working, to make sure you copied the link correctly. Right now it looks like it's not, and that's because I have this extra stuff on here. Now it should work, and as you can see, it does. So again, I haven't edited the page, but this is very important, because if you don't know this part, this forwarding part, your domain is of no good to you. So you leave this on permanent. Forward, I like to forward with masking is good, because if you just forward alone, once they get to the opt-in page, it's going to show the ClickFunnels URL. And since we're trying to keep branding to yourself or to your own domain, it's always good to mask it, because then your domain name is always going to be there. You can give it a title. Again, and these things ought to be relevant to your market. So for example, the True Love Works marketing agency is for example, let's get True Love Marketing. Oops, I forgot. True Love Works Marketing Agency, right? And then the description: great marketing with a greater cause. So support. So get the latest, most effective marketing services while supporting a revolutionary cause, right? And then some keywords could be marketing, marketing agency. It could be, I don't know, social media marketing, etc. Whatever keywords you want. This is as an example. And then check so that it says update my name servers and DNS settings to support this change, and then click save. And so from there, it'll take a few minutes to populate. So it's been a few minutes, so let's go ahead and check. Let's go to the domain, which in my case is mrhenryvargas.com, and we'll click enter, and let's see if it's working. Okay, perfect. As you can see, it is landed at the opt-in page that we created. It looks like they still needs to update the masking and the title, but that's fine. At least it's going to where it needs to be, which is the opt-in page. And so now that you've gotten that, you've gotten your domain name, you've gotten your email address, you've gotten your lead magnet, right? And you've just created your opt-in page. So congratulations, you're on a roll, you're rocking, and we're gonna get talking about the autoresponder in the next video. So we'll see you there.